Got in a FLEXISPOT recliner today. We're gonna get it opened up, put it together, then I'll check back with y'all and we'll see how comfortable it is and what it looks like.
Wow. It goes from your back all the way down to your legs.
Really?
Yeah.
How do you like it?
Oh, wow. 2 thumbs up.
Okay, we got it put together and it is comfortable. It has 4 different massage points in your upper shoulders, your middle back, your thighs, and then around your calves. Depends on how tall you are, of course. And it has heating as well. It has a little handle right here. This is your release for your footrest. It's right under here. You just pull it up and it will lay way back. Now to release the footrest, you just pull this handle right here. It's located on the inside of the cushion and it will put you to sleep if you're not careful. Very comfortable chair. And if you do notice down on the bottom, we left the foam around that bottom ring on a wooden floor. If you're going to move it, it makes it a little bit easier to move it. It slides a little easier. But if you're on carpet, it's not going to make any difference, or you may not like that at all. That was our preference, is to leave it on there so it would slide easier for cleaning purposes. As the different modes will change the intensity of the vibration. There's just multiple options with the remote. And it does have a timer on the remote as well. It does have the pockets on the sides, on both sides, and it swivels, as you can see. You can put magazines in here or whatever. And in this case, you could just take the remote and put it in right there, out of the way. The remote cable runs down through the seat and plugs into the back. Like I said, it's very comfortable. My mom likes it and I like it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.